Many people wonder whether it's really possible to create PowerClip or clip masking in Microsoft Word. Today I'm going to show you easy steps that you can use to attain this. How do you do that? You go to Insert under your menu bar, you click on Shapes. You can select whichever shapes you want, how you want the image to come or the picture. So let us draw a rectangle. I'll draw the rectangle here. Then we could decide to format this shape. We can click and choose from the list of shapes here. We can choose the one that appeals to us most. So let us choose this. So I've chosen that. What I need to do next is to click on shape fill. So rather than filling it with shapes or with colors rather, I'm going to select picture. So I'm selecting picture. I'll go to the location where the picture is. Then I type the name of the picture. The name of the picture is Billionaire Visualization Video to Attract Wealth and Money. So I'm going to click on open. Wow, interesting. So that is how you can create PowerClip or clip masking in Microsoft Word.